1 BHK house in construction. Plot size 17 into 50 feet. This is our entrance from veranda. This is our first room. Stairs are yet to construct in this room. Now we are entering in our drawing room, which is of 16.5 into 14.8 feet. Followed by kitchen, which is of 7.5 into 8.9 feet. We have then our wash areas, where we have our bathroom of 3 into 4 feet. And a water closet or toilet of 3 into 4 feet. Thickness of all the walls in the house is 10 centimeter, as all the walls are constructed from single bricks. Then we have a bedroom of 8.5 into 18 feet. We have also constructed a septic tank here underneath this room for convenience. Door size are 100 centimeter and 75 centimeter accordingly for convenience. Window size in this room is 100 into 80 centimeter each. This door is of 1 into 2.4 meter, and this is our house, 1 BHK. We also have a small shop outside for outdoor access of 7 into 13 feet.